Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how I make my ginger lemon shots that have helped me with my hormonal acne and as well as like an immunity booster. So as like a side story, like I pretty much got into this like gut health because once I got off birth control, like my hormones were acting up so bad. So like I was changing my topicals, like, my moisturizers, my cleansers, and changing those products up every like 3 to 6 months. And it really wasn't working. So I decided to try this gut health thing, and so far I've been on it for 2 weeks consistently, and like I've seen already such a change, and I just love it. So if you're interested, just keep on watching, or share it for somebody or to somebody who you think might be interested. So anyway, I picked up organic ginger, and it looks in the packaging like this. It doesn't have to be organic, it's just what I could find. So I then wash it and I cut it up into these small little pieces just like this and put it into whatever blender you have. I just happen to have the Magic Bullet, so I'm just gonna have to do it a few times. But if you have something that's big enough to put all of it in once, or all of it in at once, then do that. So whatever you have is fine. Then I fill it up with water, just a little bit, more than the ginger's in there. And then now I'm gonna blend it up. So then after that's done, it's gonna be liquidy. That's totally fine. That's what you need. If it's too thick and it's not liquidy like this, you need to add some more water. So what I'm gonna do now is slowly strain it into this. I like the small one just because I put it into this after. So that's exactly what I do. I just put a little bit, just like that. And then you can use something else. Don't make fun of me. I use this to strain it. I just feel like it works the best to get to squeeze all the juice out. So and that's gonna take a few minutes, and that's everything that I just blended, but I still have another batch that I have to do. So I usually get it up to 2 cups for that whole thing, and it lasts over a week, and you have to refrigerate it. So I would recommend putting it in a bottle, like a squeeze bottle kind of thing, and take a shot of it every morning. I water it down just because of the spiciness of the ginger. I personally like it. So however you like your ginger, whether spicy or it's too spicy for you, you don't like it, so in that case use more water. You'll be fine. Okay, and then once I strain all of it into the main container, then I strain it again into another. And then what you're gonna do is juice your lemons into this. I just got this thing today, so I'm Then I have these souffle cups, so I just put them in this, and that's how I have them throughout the week. And I usually have it first thing in the morning. Well, maybe after my coffee, but either way, I'll have it before I leave for work. And I think that's, the best time to have it, but you can have it at night if you want to, if you don't want to have it on an empty stomach. And if you have a sensitive stomach, I don't recommend, eat something first. So, that's pretty much all I do. Last time I added cayenne pepper, this time I didn't do that. So you could do that. Yeah, So that's pretty much all that I did. And this lasts, like I said, about like 2 weeks. So if you have any questions, reach out to me. But so far it's been working for me, and I hope that if you're in the same place or, you know somebody, I hope that maybe this will help you too. So thank you.